Hey guys, it's me, Toxic Wolfies. Okay, as you see, I'm doing a video on my PC. It's kind of weird. I don't know why I'm doing on my PC a video. So I'm using my professional mic. I don't know if it's good or not. Tell me in the comment section. I'm using my headsets, my gaming ones. It's really cool. I'm using my special machine for my microphone. So yeah guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a cool logo like this. It might be laggy a little because I'm using a recorder, of a screen recorder, and might be a little bit slow. As you see, it's slow. So I made this without making a video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make another one, but it's not gonna be like this. It's gonna be a little bit like for the beginners, I should say. So let's go ahead and open the app. It's pixlr.com. That's a good place to go ahead and do a banner, a logo. Everyone goes there, but for now, the new, the new people that has new computers like Windows 10, they use the new program. I forgot the name, but they use that. So what you're gonna do is open Pixlr editor, and I really recommend you to go ahead on this website for 75% zoom out or zoom out, yeah, because there's ad in the corners, and I'll show you right now. Guys, it's kind of weird why it's kind of weird I'm making a video about tutorials. The last video that I did on my PC was I think it was about, yeah, it was about the game. It was a test more, we should say. So it's kind of awkward that it's taking too long. You see, there's ads, man. It's taking too long a little. Sorry, guys. I don't want to undo this because if there's something wrong, I want to fix it back. Well, you know what? Is it gonna take? Okay, you know what? Screw this. Okay, everything is glitching right now. I don't know. I'm clicking new image, and there you go. Okay. So we see a logo. So it's 800 by 800. Sorry guys, it's the screen again. Sorry. We're gonna write logo testo. No, just test. Put it transparent, please, or else it won't work. Bam! Okay, for now, what you're gonna do, guys, is use a background. First thing, a background, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and find a background on the internet. Any background that you want, guys, it will work, okay? Any single background. You can go ahead and write, let's see. What background? Let me think. Penguin. Galaxy. Let's go ahead and use a galaxy, eh? A galaxy. So choose a galaxy that you really like. Like this one. It's not bad. Let's go ahead and save this. Save this as. And go ahead and put it on the download section if you want to. Sorry about that. That's my family pictures. Yep. That was really awkward. Sorry. Okay. Okay, even more pictures. Nice. Oh boy. I don't know where to put. Okay, let's put in my USB. Let's open a new folder. Oh my god. YouTube. There you go. It worked. There you go. So what you're gonna do now is layer. Open as layer. Oh my god, sorry about that. If you hear that sound, if you hear some sounds, guys, about music or something, sorry about that. But where is it? Where is it? Where is it? YouTube. Okay, when it's open, go to edit. Go to edit, guys. Free transform. Transform. When you're done, click OK. Now click over here. Click yes, and bam. Don't touch it because if you move it, it'll be weird. Okay, like you see, blip. You see, you don't want this. If it happens, don't worry. Just click undo here. It'll be back to normal. Okay, so what you want to do now, guys? It's the color. So I really like green color, like stuff like that. So when you click the U here, it changes. Change. Change it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is put it into your favorite color. Oh, really, I'm gonna change it to, you know what? I'm gonna put it red. You know, let's put it like that. Whoa. Let's put it like, wait, no. Like that. Okay, after doing this, guys, what you want to do is for the letters. So for the font, what you're gonna do is choose your own fonts, and it's gonna be really cool. So I'm gonna use this one, this font here. So this font is the Toxico. The Toxico, it will be, yeah, it'll be linked in the description. This is a really cool font that I really like. I use this for my banners and my logo. Now, yeah, in my logo, I use this for my logo and my banners, and even my overlay. Was it overlay? Yeah, overlays too. So it's pretty much a good one. So we're gonna go ahead and put it into the max. Put it in the middle. Put it white because we're gonna do something tricky here. So I hope it works. It's not working. Put it white as I told you guys. Click OK. So what you can do after this, click right. What you want to do is click like right click here and click res. Just click this button, man. Jesus. So this will make it even better. It will be like as an image. So what you're gonna do right now, it's the good moment here. It's good, okay. It's gonna be good moment. So what you're gonna do is simply click. What can we click? Wait, because I was gonna do what? I was gonna put an image for this font. So wait, let me see. Wait, I'm just thinking right now. I forgot what to use. Oh boy. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and Fortnite. Let's click Fortnite. Click Fortnite. Man, Jesus, sorry guys. It took really long, but hey, I don't know what to use. That's why. Okay, so we got here. Save as I told you, and save it in the folder that you want or any place that you really like. Yep. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna look quickly. Okay, great. It will work. Perfect. So what you're gonna do, guys, is put the. Oh wait. First, you have to grow up this text. Put it even bigger. Okay. Put it even bigger. So what you're gonna do, guys, is be ready. Okay. You're gonna go ahead and open. Wait. Yeah. Open as layer. You're gonna open the image. After opening the image, decide how you want to put the font. So if you transform like that. Now click, okay, leave the image like that. What you want to do right now is simply click on the font from over here, the text. Click the magic stick. Click anywhere, okay? You see anywhere for your font, click it over here. Now what you're going to do is simply right click on over here. Click invert selection. After doing that, you're gonna delete this image, okay? Oh boy, let's go. It worked. You see, guys, I do magic stuff. That's the only thing that I know, magic. So delete the text. Now click over here, and bang! Look at that. Okay, it's not finished yet, but it looks amazing, just like this. Okay. So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and right click layer style. So just use some nice, some nice magic tinkies. No, I'm joking, it's not magic. But you can do some glows, some glowing things. So I'm going to put this glow. And I'm going to put it here. Or red. Or black, maybe. Yeah, black. Black. So, no, it's not good. Put it black. Put it black. Yeah, like that glow. And after that, what you're going to do, guys, the final thing is click here and choose the color that you want to put for your background. Put the color, colorize. Just like that. And bang! It looks amazing like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and add a really good thing like right now. Let's go open image as. I have on my, in here, where was it? Galaxy. Sorry about the files, a lot. Oh, here. Galaxy Sky Meteor Planet PNG. Sorry for my talking. I'm not talking that good. Sorry. So you're going to put it under this, not on the image background. Free transform. Click the shift button and put it bigger. Okay. And go to you. And you'll see, guys. Bam. It looks amazing, guys, right? So if you did enjoy the video, guys, please subscribe my channel, leave a like, comment, and peace.